Anyways, here we have Cardano symbol 88 versus the dollar. Again, long term, it's been absolutely shredded to the downside, and it's getting its first sort of relief bounce, it does look like, on the higher macro timeframes off of the 200 simple on the weekly. So, again, the question is similar to Bitcoin. It's like, are we going to put in a greater bear market rally or not? Well, in this case, we're pretty much at the same area that we highlighted, I believe, on Monday it's right there. For a nice, a nice upside move, which would be any sort of a daily closure, specifically above about 68, 69 cents. If you can see something like that, then yes, I would be looking for this one to put in a much more extended bear market rally, specifically somewhere around about 90 cents, maybe even as much as $1. But long term, again, make no mistake about it, this chart is heavily macro bearish. I think best case scenario for Cardano would be putting in a move towards like $1.10 if like everything goes perfect to plan for the BULAs right here. But ultimately, looking at the 4 hour, I think that this one has at least a short-term time frame chance to make another move, another test towards 69 cents. Can we actually see a closure above there? Well, if you do, I'd be extending those targets. If you don't, then obviously more of the same. With probably a retest back down to your current 50-cent lows or so in the next week if that does happen. But even on a 4 hour, I would actually say you do have a nice breakout with a 4 hour closure, not above 68, but above 70 cents. So if you are going to use a lower term time frame, just be aware of that. I imagine your stochastic momentum is probably looking... let's see. Daily is still up, actually moving it nice and well into the bullish control zone. So 57 cents going to be the magical number to hold. So I do think that this one has a legitimate chance to the upside right here. Again, long term though, I do think it's just a bear market rally. But bear market rallies can be, can be decent here. Hopefully that was helpful. And there you go for Cardano.